National Weather Service in New Orleans has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Ascension Parish in southeastern Louisiana, West Central St. James Parish in southeastern Louisiana, West Baton Rouge Parish in southeastern Louisiana, Northwestern Livingston Parish in southeastern Louisiana, Iberville Parish in southeastern Louisiana, Southwestern East Baton Rouge Parish in southeastern Louisiana, Assumption Parish in southeastern Louisiana, until 4:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:05 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from near Butte, Louisiana rose to near Glencoe, moving northeast at 70 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Baton Rouge, Denham Springs, Gonzales, Donaldsonville, Plaquemine, Fort Allen, Napoleonville, Oak Hills Place, St. Gabriel, Walker, Otis, Burley, White Castle, Rosedale, Grosset, Westminster, Geismar, Watson, Supreme, and Rama. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time for southeastern Louisiana. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following parishes in Louisiana: Ascension,